Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the pattern, or I'm going to be teaching you the pattern I use in making this beautiful sweater. It's called the X stitch or a crisscross stitch. I'm going to be taking you through how I made the stitch, how the stitch is being made. You can see it's looking like an X. So I'm going to be taking you through. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's really going to motivate me to keep posting and keep showing up for you guys and for everyone. So yeah, thank you so much as you subscribe, and for those that are subscribed and are already supporting me, thank you so much. I see your support, and yeah. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using this baby blue yarn, and I'm going to be using my 4mm crochet hook. You'll be needing your stitch marker and a pair of scissors. Right now, I'm going to be making slip knots. Just turn your yarn this way, pull through like this and make it tight. So we're going to be making our chains, and if you're making this X stitch, make sure you're making multiples of 3. Your chain should be multiples of 3. If you are making for whatever length, just make sure your chain is multiples of 3. So to make a chain, I'm going to be making 21 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it should be in multiples of 3, you'll see the reasons later on, but make sure whatever lengths of chains you want to do, whatever length you want to do, your chains are in multiples of 3. So I'll see you right after making my 21 chains. This is what 21 chains look like. After making 21 chains, I'm going to chain 2 more chains. So I'm going to chain 2 more. 1, 2. After chaining 2, I'm going to make a double crochet inside the 21st stitch. You leave the 2 chains that you made last, and you make a double crochet inside the 21st stitch. That's like in the 3rd stitch from the hook. You use a stitch marker to like mark it, then you make double crochet all through this row. So to make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook inside the chain and pull through, then pull through all. Insert like this, pull through 2 and pull through the remaining 2. Yarn over, insert your hook. That's how you make your double crochet. So I'm going to see you right at the end. I'm currently making the last double crochet for this particular row. That's like the first row. After that, I'm going to be making 4 chains. So I'm going to chain up for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn my work like this, and I'll yarn over 1 and yarn over 2 like this. Insert my hook inside that same stitch where I made my chain. Pull through like this, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. I'll skip, jump 1 for the second double crochet, and in the 3rd double crochet I'm going to be pulling through like this, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, then yarn over and pull through all like this. then you're going to chain one. This one that we just chained now is to like replace the one that we skipped. Then yarn over again. You see these two loops, this first loop and the second loop, like this. Insert your hook there, yarn over and put through like this. Then yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through the other two. So this is what the X stitch look like. For the next one, you're going to yarn over one, yarn over two, and we'll insert our hook into the next stitch like this. Put through, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, you skip one, then the next one you're going to insert your hook there, put through like this, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through the last two. Then you chain one. After chaining one, you yarn over, insert your hook into like these two back loops here, yarn over, put through like this, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through two. Make sure you always chain one first before inserting your hook into the two loops there to make the upper part of the X. So that's how you continue. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, put through two, yarn over, skip one, in the next one you put through two, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through the last. Then you chain one, yarn over, insert your hook into the two back loops, then put through two like this, and put through the last two. So this is what you're going to just continue doing till you get to the end of this particular row. Don't forget to always chain one before you make the other part of the X, before you insert your hook into the back, that loop, those two loops that I spoke about. Always make sure. And before we get to the end, there are like two types of making these X stitches. That's why I said one is like, the other one is, I feel like this one is better. This one is like flat, it does not have to like cross each other. The other one that is like crisscross, that one is like, I don't know how to explain it, but if you see the both of them, you're going to see the difference. And this one is better. I'll recommend this one anytime, any day. So yeah, this is like the last three. Make sure that when you get to the end, your stitches, this thing is remaining three. You can see that this one is remaining three. If it's not remaining three, if it's more than three, it means you made a mistake somewhere. And if it's less than three, it means you also made a mistake. It should be like three at the end. So you repeat the same thing. After that, you chain one, yarn over, you just insert your hook in this place, put through two and put through the last two. Now for this ending part, we're going to be making a triple crochet to represent this chain 4 that we did at the beginning. So yarn over, insert your hook inside that same stitch where you made that last, when you inserted that last one, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over and put through two. So this is what the last part should look like. So to go to the next row, which is row 3, we are going to, this is what it's looking like. Can you see like the X shape? This place is place we did our chain 4, and we repeated the same thing here by making triple crochet. So to go to the next row, we chain 4. After chaining up 4, we turn our work, then yarn over twice, insert our hook into this first head of the X, put through two, yarn over, in the next head, like insert your hook, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through two, yarn over, put through the last two, then chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loops like this, put through two, put through two, like this. You continue the same. That's like basically the same thing we are going to be doing. If you watch this video to this part and you've not yet subscribed, please do please do subscribe, like and share my video to your friends, your family, whoever you think should like see this video. Please do share and support me. Thank you very much. So this is like what we'll just continue doing till we get to like the end of the row of this particular row. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you're making like a sweater like the one I showed in the beginning of the video, you're just going to like continue till you get to like your desired length. And yeah, that's basically it. This, I feel like this is like very simple. It's a combination of double crochet, triple crochet, chains. Yeah, I feel like that's like the only, if you know like the basic stitches, you should be able to do this because it's not like difficult. If you're a beginner and you don't know like the basic stitches, I have a video that I'm going to put like link in the description box, so please check it out and learn like the basic stitches, because most of the crochet works you see are just combination of like the basic stitches, just like this one right here. So yeah, this is like the last X we'll be making for this row. And I'll tell you what to do. This is basically the repetition of what we did in the first row, in the second row, sorry. So you yarn over twice, insert your hook in that fourth chain. You know, here we chained, we made like 4 chains here. So you just insert your hook in the fourth one there, put through like this, put through 2, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, put through the last 2. And voila, this is what we have. So if you're making like a different project, if you want to like make a different project, please make sure to like introduce this particular stitch to your works. This is very simple. This is your sign to stop using only single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet to make your projects, to make your works. Introduce this stitch and thank me later. We've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.